welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a what's in my backpack. I've been meaning to film one of these videos for a long time, so I decided it's the end of my first semester of high school, senior year by the way, and I was like, might as well do a what's in my backpack. I haven't done one in a while, and I also wanted to apologize for being away from my YouTube channel for so long. As you know, I'm a senior, so a lot of college stuff has been going around. If you want, I could do a video all about the college process and everything that I've been going through. Anyways, follow me on social media. On Instagram, I'm gonna start posting again and everything like that. Also, subscribe down below, click the bell, and comment down below done, so that way you could be shouted out in my next video. I think that's pretty much it, and let's get started with the video. Okay, so as you know, I'm obsessed with the Fileron Kanken backpacks, you know, the backpacks that everybody has. Yeah, so this is my third one, and it's already gotten dirty, which is probably like the worst idea I ever had, to get a light colored one, but it's okay. This is a book bag that I use every single day for school. I know that everybody thinks this is such a small book bag, but to be honest, I keep a lot of stuff in here that you'll be surprised it fits in here, and I'm not breaking my back for it. As I said, it's also the end of my first semester of high school. There's not a lot of things in here that there usually is, and lately I've been downsizing a bit, so let's just get into this book bag. So I'm gonna start with the front pocket over here. First thing I pull out is lip balm. I have this lip balm that is my favorite thing ever. It keeps my lips glossy. And then along with that lip balm, I have this chapstick. This is the Burt's Bees Peppermint chapstick. Honestly, my favorite thing in the world. These two cannot go without. After that, I have my little wallets. This is a Santorini wallet. My sister went to Greece a couple years ago, and she got us all like little merchandise, so I got this tiny wallet. I keep my cards in here, Metro card, debit card, cash, change, anything. Then I have my keys, a pad, because you know, you never want to be that girl that gets her period the day and you don't even have one. So I always make sure, like, before I get it, I have one in my book bag. Then I have a whiteout in here because I make a lot of mistakes with my notes, and I'm kind of a perfectionist, so I always keep whiteout with me. And I think the very last thing I have in here is an eraser. Now, we're gonna move on to the side pockets. So on this side pocket, I normally have the pens that I use during school. So I have 2 pens right here. Then I have lotion because, you know, I don't want to be ashy. Then I have a pencil. And I have my reusable straw that I actually haven't used since like the beginning of the year, and I should be using this more, but I think I gotta clean it first. And then I have this tiny little bottle of perfume just so I can smell good. You know, you don't want to be walking around and be one of those girls that stink in the hallways, so you gotta make sure you smell good. I just wet my mouth. That's everything for this side pocket. Then on this side pocket, I have my AirPods. I don't like putting them in my book bag as much because then I forget about them and then I have to go digging in my book bag to get them. So I put them on the side. I normally don't keep it there all day, especially on my way home. I immediately take it out because I don't want anybody going in my book bag and trying to take it. But I just have this cute little purple lavender. I don't know if you're going to be able to see the shade of it. It's like light purple and I love it. My AirPods, my babies. Then I have a portable charger in here. I actually have to get a new one because this one doesn't work, but I haven't really emptied out my book bag. The last section of the book bag is the main compartment where I keep all of my stuff. So right now it's kind of a mess because end of the year I just took all of my midterms. I'm basically on the break that we have for Regents. If you have to make up Regents, take Regents. So right now I technically have a whole week of school off, so that's also why I'm filming videos. So it's kind of empty, and normally there's more books in here. So the first thing I'm grabbing is my Hydro Flask. It's the same color as my AirPods case, and it's so cute. And I'm extremely upset because I already dented my Hydro Flask. But I've been trying to keep really good care of this baby because $40 is kind of a lot for this thing. But my baby. And yes, you can call me a VSCO girl all you want in the comments. I'm good. I don't care. I have my pencil case. You would think, why do you put your pencils on the side if you have a pencil case? Well, these are the pens that I normally use, and I don't really take out my pencil case unless I need highlighters or my stapler or another eraser and colorful pens, because I'm that type of girl, you know, like those Pinteresty aesthetically pleasing notes. Yeah, that's me, and I have all that. And the next thing I have in here is a tiny umbrella. It was raining the last time I used my book bag, this book bag, and I just haven't taken it out. Then I have my charger, iPhone charger. Since I carry, normally to school I carry this charger in case like I'm that nice of a friend. I let people use my charger if they ask me. And then I have my portable charger because, you know, like I'm not always gonna have an outlet, so I carry around both of them. Normally for school I use my laptop, but a little situation happened with my laptop and I spilled soda on it. So right now I'm currently trying to get a new laptop, and yeah, so I have to use an iPad for right now. Then I have this packet that should be in my folder, but like I said, end of the first semester, I've just been throwing things in here. It's a Spanish Regents prep. I'm a senior and I had to take my Regents. I actually took it yesterday. Well, while I'm filming this, I took it yesterday. I think I aced it. Let's hope so. So yeah, I don't think I need this anymore, but I'm just gonna put it back in here because I'm not touching this book bag until like Monday. And the next thing I have is my planner. I try to be extremely organized, so normally my planner looks like this, fully booked and written out. I write down everything. I love having a planner, an agenda. I write down when I have tests, research papers, no school, when I have to do stuff like extracurricular activities. The last thing I have in here is my folder. I'm gonna clean it out. It's kind of full right now, but this is just a 5-star like notebook folder. So basically it's a folder you can keep all your stuff in here, but then you can put loose leaf in it and use it as a notebook as well. Yeah, I totally recommend getting this. And that is everything that I have in my book bag. Usually there's my work shirt in there that I have to change in for work, and then normally have my lunch, because in my school you can either bring lunch and heat it up in the microwave or buy it. Since lunch is pretty expensive in my school sometimes, and buying it every day is very expensive, so I try to alternate. So normally have my lunch in here too. Then I would have my laptop in here, which would take up a little bit more space, but that's pretty much it. This book bag, honestly, I recommended it to so many people. There's a lot of girls in my school that have this and they use it every single day. I love these book bags and I kind of want to buy another color. So I'll leave a link to this book bag down below. I hope that you enjoyed this video and it wasn't too boring. And don't worry, I will be back with more exciting and fun content soon. I'm a little in a funk and a little stressed out, but I will be back, I promise. But that's everything for this video, and I really hope you enjoy it. I'll see you guys next time with a new video. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe down below and follow me on social media. Bye guys.